Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by an integrated AI consultant, and inside mini apps, endless video tapes are deployed for online stores, ordering services, online courses, and interactive quests. Accept payments directly in the messenger. Moreover, bots now communicate with each other directly through the bot-to-bot function, linking any services into a single ecosystem. And the coolest thing is that every user who clicks Start Bot stays in your database forever, allowing you to send newsletters absolutely for free. In a selection of short 5-minute videos, I will clearly and without water show you how to run all this through the smart Questflow service. Without programming skills, just writing text to artificial intelligence what you need, or putting together a project using vibe coding. I have already posted all the examples and ready-made templates of multilingual bots in my Telegram channel. The free download link is right below this video. Go ahead and take it. Hello everyone. Today we'll walk through the process of creating a Telegram bot flow in Questflow. There are two ways to build a bot here. The first and fastest is using artificial intelligence. Right on the home page, the system prompts you to describe your task so the AI can build the necessary architecture for you. Let's imagine we need a bot for an online store selling jackets. So we type, create a Telegram bot for an online store. I need it to include a mini app with a product catalog, set up delivery right away and integrate payments. And all customer orders should come directly to me in Telegram. Now let's submit the request. The artificial intelligence analyzes the task and asks a few clarifying questions to tailor the bot perfectly to our needs. The first question is about checking for a Telegram channel subscription. This is a great tool for audience retention, so we agree and select yes at the beginning. Next, the system suggests adding an AI consultant. It's a useful feature, but I prefer to embed it directly into the mini app interface rather than the chat itself. So we'll click no here, and for the next question about the bot's format, we'll choose the second, recommended option. Classic chat plus mini app with a full interface. Now we confirm the additional features. We'll need mobile management, a built-in CRM system, fast checkout, and a TikTok or Instagram style product feed. We also add additional fields. This will be handy for selecting jacket sizes. We definitely need to enable the discount and coupon system. We'll skip the AI video avatar for now, but we'll definitely use animated emojis to grab attention. Done! The neural network instantly designed a bot with 11 blocks and 10 connections. Let's open it in the editor and we can see a fully constructed working flow. For the bot to start working, we need to connect it to your Telegram. We go to the dashboard, open the settings of our new bot, and navigate to the Integrations section. Here we simply paste the token you received from BotFather and hit save. The second workflow is manually creating or editing bots using the visual builder. Let's go back to our generated flow. The interface allows you to easily adapt the logic to your needs. You can delete unnecessary blocks, add new ones like text messages, and change the connections between them with a simple drag and drop. Notice that the neural network created two flows, a base one and a second one for additional broadcasts. This uses an interesting block called action. It allows you to segment users. For example, if you're hosting a live stream, you can set up the bot to give a bonus only to the people who actually attended. Now let's see how to create a quiz or a bot from scratch. In the dashboard, click Create Quiz. Enter a name, for instance, test. The description field is optional, but I recommend filling it out so you don't get confused with your projects. Click Create, and we enter a completely blank editor where you can build the logic step by step. For convenience, the service has a built-in testing tool. By clicking the headphones icon in the bottom left corner, you will open the web version of Telegram, allowing you to test how your bot works right in the browser, without needing your phone. That wraps up the basic setup. In the next video, I'll break down every block in the builder in detail and show you examples of how to use them.